Hey, what's going on, guys? Alan here. Gonna do one. Saw a cover from Peter Wallback, or his friend did one. It was like a remix. So I figured I would show me playing ultimate guitar. However, you guys consume this concept, hope it helps put the Synthesia for you guys so that you can play along. I don't know what the intro is supposed to do, so I'm just gonna like play something. Sorry, I had a WhatsApp message. For all the times that you rain in my parade, for all the clubs you get in using my name, you think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on. And I didn't want her, and I didn't think you should. And baby, I'll be moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone else. And I never liked to admit when I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I am holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When I told you that you hated my friends, only problems with you and not them. And every time you told me something was wrong, and tried to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't want to write a song, but I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I know, but you still hold my phone up. And baby, I'll be moving on. And I want that you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone else. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up with my job, didn't think of something on. And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Whoa. What? Ultimate guitar, why do you do that? 'Cause I'm sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. yeah, messed up a couple times. There was that error with Ultimate Guitar, but that's the gist of how I do the voicing with Synthesia. I'll make that tutorial for you guys. I guess I'll phrase this like practice or cover. I mean, the whole point is, I don't know if you guys are familiar with what I do. I make a digital marketing agency, and the point is to like, my aim is to live stream. So I might as well show the practice that goes in, mistakes and all. Yeah. Use that Synthesia. If you guys are trying to play my voicing with the piano. And then, yeah, I'll leave a link below to the cover that I saw, which was pretty good. It inspired me to make this. So hope you guys are enjoying your day. It is the 7th of December. Gotta go snowboard. See you guys in the next one. Peace.